Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to navigate the map like a pro in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, familiarize yourself with the layout of the map. Pay attention to key landmarks, high traffic areas, and strategic locations such as supply drops, buy stations, and vantage points. Understanding the terrain will give you a tactical advantage during gameplay. The minimap is your best friend in Warzone Mobile. Keep a constant eye on it to track position related to the safe zones, teammates, and enemies. Use the minimap to plan your route and avoid potential threats. Take advantage of the waypoint system to mark objectives or points of interest on the map. Whether it's a loot cache, a vehicle spawn, or a strategic position, setting waypoints will help you navigate efficiently and stay focused on your objectives. Your drop location can significantly impact your early game strategy. Choose a landing spot that offers ample loot opportunities while minimizing the risk of immediate combat. Look for less crowded areas if you prefer a stealthy approach, or drop into hot zone for intense firefight and high risk, high reward gameplay. Warzone Mobile is all about dynamic movement. Avoid staying in one location for too long, especially if you're outside the safe zone. Keep moving to maintain a tactical advantage, explore new areas, and stay one step ahead of your opponents. Vehicles are valuable assets for traversing the map quickly, but they also make you a visible target. Use vehicles strategically to cover long distances, relocate to safer areas, or execute surprise attacks. Be mindful of enemy players and always have a escape plan. Communication is key in Warzone Mobile, especially when navigating the map as a team. Coordinate your movements, share information about your enemy positions, and work together to achieve your objectives. Use the ping system to highlight points of interest and communicate non-verbally with your teammates. As the match progresses, the safe zone will shrink. And that's how to navigate the map like a pro in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.